Hello everyone, once again welcome back to MMS Max Medicine Simple. So hope you are doing good, and today we are going to talk about amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS. So before we start, please do subscribe the channel to get all the latest updates. And now we will talk about what are the signs and symptoms of ALS, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. So basically ALS is a disease that attacks the nerves which control the muscle movement. As the disease progresses, patients lose the ability to control the muscles, and this leads to weakness and eventually paralysis. However, the changes are very gradual and usually taking place over several years. The symptoms of ALS can be quite subtle, and the disease affects everyone differently, and that make it very difficult to diagnose. In some patients, the first sign of ALS is muscle weakness or a lack of motor control of the arms and legs. For example, the person may have difficulty in buttoning the clothes or find themselves tripping even when walking on flat surface. For other people, the disease may first affect the muscles of throat and tongue, making it more difficult to swallow and speak. In a few rare cases, the muscles that control the breathing are the first to be affected by ALS and leading to shortness of breathing. Muscle cramps and twitching can also be early symptoms of ALS. In rare cases, patients also experience the uncontrollable bouts of laughter and crying, even though they don't feel very sad and happy. None of these symptoms by themselves mean that a person has ALS. These could be the symptoms of other illnesses also, or they could be mean nothing at all. If someone does have ALS, though these symptoms will become progressively more noticeable and the muscle weakness will spread throughout the body. If you do have any of these symptoms, talk to your doctor. ALS is very hard to diagnose. That's why we have to rule out the other diseases first. Even you diagnose with ALS, it is recommended you get a second opinion. So if you or someone you love has been diagnosed with ALS, you can get help from your nearest neurologist. So thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe the channel to get all the latest updates. Stay safe, stay happy. Thank you so much guys.